Hello everyone. In the last video of narration, we have seen until the change of pronoun rule. So let's take further. That is, our topic is narration. And last rule we saw is change of what pronoun. Okay, the next one is change of tenses. I suppose it is fourth rule or something. You just match with your notebook. Okay, change of tenses. So say this one, when you are changing direct sentence into indirect, direct narration into indirect, you need to make changes in the tenses also. In what? In which part of the direct sentence? In reported clause of the sentence. Reported which one? Which comes in the inverted comma. So see this one, change of tenses. This is your direct. And this one is your indirect. So let's change it. If we have simple present, in direct sentence, direct in what? Reported. In reported clause, if we have simple present in your direct narration, then this simple present in direct narration gonna change with simple past. Simple past in your indirect sentence. When you're gonna change direct sentence into indirect one, simple present gonna change in simply simple past. Simple present, let's see the helping verb and the main verb. It is do does plus verb first form or verb first form s or es, right? And in the simple past, it is verb second form or did plus verb first form, right? Okay, next one is present continuous. If we have present continuous in what? In your direct sentence, then present continuous gonna change in past continuous. Present continuous going to change in past continuous. See the helping verb of present continuous. Helping verb is, am, are. And main verb is verb fourth form. And past continuous is was, were, plus verbs fourth form. Okay. Next one is present perfect. Present perfect, that is has, have plus verbs third form. Present perfect gonna change in past perfect. It is going to change in past perfect, that is had plus verbs third form. The next one is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, that is has, have plus been plus verbs fourth form. That is going to change in past perfect continuous, that is had plus been plus verbs fourth form. Okay. So present tense going to change in the past tense. Simple present, if we have simple present in direct sentence, in indirect it is going to change in simple past. If we have present continuous, then it is going to change in past continuous. If we have present perfect, it is going to change in past perfect. And if we have present perfect continuous, it is going to change in past perfect continuous. So this is your present tense. Now let's take the past tense. This is direct and this one is reported. Okay, now see this one. If we have simple past in what? Direct sentence of reported clause, it is going to change in past perfect. If we have past continuous, then it is going to change in past perfect continuous. And if we have past perfect indirect, then there is no change. And if you have past perfect continuous, then again there is no change, right? So if you have past simple past, it is going to change in past perfect. If you have past continuous, it is going to change in past perfect continuous. If you have past perfect, there won't be any change, and if you have past perfect continuous, then again there won't be any change. There is a trick to remember this one. For example, see this one. This is your simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So how it is going to change? If we have simple past, leave the one and it is going to change with the second one. Again, if you have past continuous, then leave the one and it is going to change with the next one. Then if you have past perfect, then you're gonna leave first, there is no another one, so it is not going to change, and same goes with the past perfect continuous. So this is a trick to remember, and it is up to you if you want to follow this or not, but these are the rules. So this is your past perfect. Now next one is your modals, or we can say future. Shall is going to change in should. Will gonna change in would. Can going to change in could. May is going to change in might. Rest of the sentence like must, had to, it is not going to change. So this is your change of tenses. So this is the fourth rule of changing the narration, that is change of tenses. Now let's solve some example over here. Okay, say this one. Ram said to Sita. Ram said to Sita, I am working hard. Right? So let's change this. As we already seen in the last video, the part which comes outside the inverted comma, it is called reporting verb or reported clause. It is called reporting verb, and which comes into the inverted comma, it called reported. Right? So we're going to change the first one, reporting. This is the subject of reporting. This one is the verb and this is the object. Remember, we saw some rule in the last video. The subject is not going to change. It comes as it is. Ram said to is going to change if we have object in the reporting clause. So said to will change. Remember, we saw the rule that say will change. Said to, says to, and said to. It is going to change in tell, tells, and told. Right? This is the rule we saw in the last video, that if we have object in the reporting clause, the verb of the reporting clause get changed. If we have said to, then it is going to change with tell. If we have says to, then it is going to change with tells, and if we have said to, it is going to change with told. So since we have object over here, so said to is going to change in told. So here comes told, Ram told. Then Sita, the object will be as it is. Now remove comma and inverted comma and use connector that. This is also the rule we saw in the last video. So remove comma, inverted comma and use connector that. Okay, now comes change of pronoun. First you need to change the pronoun. This is I. I is first person pronoun, right? First person change with what we're going to change? First person going to change with the subject. Remember, S-O-N. S-O-N. 1, 2, 3. First person going to change with the subject. Second person going to change with the object. And third person is no change. Okay. So see this one. The first one is first person pronoun is going to change with the subject. So I is going to change with the Ram. So here comes he. If I is going to change with the Ram, so there will be he. He. Then change the tenses. Since it is I am working, it is your present continuous. So present continuous is going to change in past continuous. So he was working hard. Okay, and remove inverted comma. So it is as simple as that. For what we have to do, we have to change the reporting verb according to the rules, and then we have to change the reported clause. You have to remove comma, inverted comma and use connector that. That is only in statement. Then you have to change the pronoun. Then you have to change the tenses. Okay, now see the fifth rule, that is the change of adverb, or we can say change of time and place. So next rule is change of adverb. That is time or place. Right? Okay, here comes direct and here comes indirect. Okay, now change this. If we have this indirect, it is going to change with that. These is going to change with those. Here is going to change with there. Okay, see this one. This is going to change with that. This going to change with those. Here going to change with there. Okay, tonight, that night. Today, that day. Okay? Okay, let me erase this. Okay, you see this, that, these, those, here, there, tonight, that night, today, that day. Okay, now comes now, then it is then. Next one is tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to change with the following day. What more is now, then, tomorrow, next, the following. Okay, and just is going to change with then. So these are the only which I remember. What more are there? Okay, next is, you can say the next week also. Is the following week. Okay, so this is the change of adverb. Now see the rule, see the example of this change of adverb along with all the rules. Okay, see the next one, see the example. Ramesh said to Meena, comma, inverted comma. Ramesh said to Meena, I can help you in the studies. I can help you in the studies today, tomorrow, whatever you want. I can help you in the studies tomorrow. So see this one, when you're going to change this one, first you need to look that first we need to change the reporting clause, that is outside the inverted comma. This is your subject, this one is the verb, and this is your object. So by now I guess you got all the rules. So change this one. Ramesh will be as it is. This is the subject. Said to is going to change because we have the object. It is come told. The next one is Meena. Then remove comma, inverted comma, and use connector that, because in the statement we use connector that. Next one, change I. I is the first person, so it is going to change with the Ramesh, and here comes he. Can help you. Now can is going to change. Can is going to change with could. He could help. Okay, you is second person, so it is going to change with the object. So here comes her. Okay, Meena is here of the object, so you is going to change with Meena. He could help her in the studies. Now next, change tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to change with the following day. The following day. Ramesh told Meena that he could help her in studies the following day. Okay, got it? So this is how you're going to change direct into indirect. Now see some exceptions over here which is not gonna change at all. If these come in the reported clause, then the tense of this sentence is not going to change. So there are some exceptions. These are 4 exceptions generally. So, okay, see this one. The first one is exception. First one is universal truth. Second one is customary or habitual actions. Next one is proverb or idioms. And the fourth one is historical facts. Right? Universal truth, customary or habitual action, proverb or idioms, and the last one is historical facts. Is if these all four exceptions comes in the reported clause, then the tense of reported clause will not change. For example, the teacher said, comma, inverted comma, the teacher said to the students, comma, inverted comma, sun is a star. So let's change this. First you need to change the reporting clause which comes inverted outside inverted comma. So the teacher is the subject. It comes as it is said to is going to change with told. The teacher told the students. The students is object. So it is going to come as it is. Remove comma, inverted comma and use connector that. Now sun is a star. It comes in universal truth. So this is not going to change. The tense of this sentence is not going to change. That sun is a star. It will come as it is. If there is change of pronoun, if there is pronoun or adverb, it is going to change. But universal truth, customary action or habitual action, proverb or idioms or historical facts, it is not going to change. So this is the example of this exception. Now you can follow the rest. Okay, now this is see the next one, that is this. With this we can complete the statements. Our next type is interrogative. Okay, so with this the statements are completed.